Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Ofioli family. Today I'm going to show you how I make my egusi soup, which is also known as melon or squash. I like to make my egusi soup as easy as possible. So what I do when I buy my meat, I wash it and put it in the freezer. So these are all the meats I'm going to use for this soup. This is bell pepper. So when I buy it, I usually blend it, dry the water and put it in the freezer. So like I said, it's gonna be easy. This is my knorr cube. I'm just gonna add all the ingredients together. This is my crayfish and my onions. I like to wash my crayfish before using it, even though it's grounded, but there are some sand on it when you wash it. Please watch the video on how I wash this crayfish. I'm gonna link it up on this video. I already cut my onions. After that, like I said, I'm going to add all the ingredients together. I'm going to add a little bit of palm oil. I don't like to add too much palm oil on it because it's high in cholesterol. So right now, this is the red oil. I'm just going to add a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my salt. I don't measure things. This is not really a tutorial, but you know, just this is how I cook my egusi soup, and I feel like sharing it with you. So it's boiling right now. I'm gonna let the meat cook for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for 30 minutes. All right, now I like to add my turkey, smoked turkey, after it must have boiled for about 30 minutes because the turkey is already almost cooked, so you don't want it to be too soft. Then I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for another 5 minutes before adding the melon seed. So this is the melon seed. I'm gonna add water and put 1 knorr cube. I didn't show it on this video, but I usually add either Maggi, knorr cube, or any seasoning of your choice, maybe salt, just to give it a little taste. Just to give the melon seed a little taste. Okay, so I'm gonna add it in the soup and cover it up for another 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so keep watching, because at the end of this video I'm going to be eating this soup with a healthy swallow. Don't go nowhere. You're gonna enjoy it. So I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so it's almost done. Now I'm going to add my vegetable. This is spinach. You can put any vegetable of your choice. The food is ready. Come and join me. Okay guys, this is not pounded yam, okay? This is oatmeal swallow. I'm going to show you how I made this oatmeal swallow on our next video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to show you on our next video on how you can make this healthy pounded yam swallow. All right, right now come and join me and eat this yummy food. I can't finish it. One more. I'm done. Done. Even the chicken, I can't finish it. Please go and end this here, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Right now I'm so full, I just have to okay, so thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video, or we will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.